The Strasberg technique was inspired by the Stanislavski technique, which is the foundation of many acting techniques. All are about being truthful in your acting. The method, as they call it, leads you to create a character that you truly believe in and that an audience can empathize with, relate to, or hate. Either way, a character that's believable. You're always looking for the truth. And for that, you have to ask all the questions that are in the script and the clues that are not there. You have to imagine what your character would do in any circumstance and the ones that are not in the story. The tools in the Strasberg technique have to do with understanding where the character lives in you, and at times substituting your life for the life of the character so that you find that emotional parallel, which is recalling sensorial events from your life in order to help you with the emotional arc of the character that you're playing. It's intricate to layer this in your work. That's why it's important to study the Strasberg technique.